people worry about with a wedding film is that, generally speaking, most people don't like being filmed. And at a wedding, you want to relax, you want to enjoy the day. So for me as a videographer, I want to respect that environment, and I want the couple and their guests to be totally at ease. I like to dissolve into the background, which allows me to get those real, natural, genuine moments. It really doesn't need to be big cameras, fluffy things. I honestly believe you can achieve better results through stripping all of that away and being discreet.
Well, now really, when we go back then to falling in love and say it's crazy, falling. You see, we don't say rising into love. There is in it the idea of the fall, taking this ghastly risk. You see, for all, the life is an act of faith and an act of gamble. The moment you take a journey, what an act of faith. The moment you enter into any kind of human undertaking in relationship, what an act of faith. But this is the most powerful thing that can be done. Surrender. See, and love is an act of surrender to another person.
It's everything we could have. I think it's more than I would have expected, because we weren't sure, were we, about having a video. We'd got the photographer and we knew we wanted all of that, and then we were sort of umming and ahhing and thinking, should we?
Is it worth getting a video? Amazing to see the emotions of the day running through and going through people's faces.
Yeah.
It's not just.
It's not a snapshot. It's into context, because we've obviously got pictures of you being emotional in the speeches, but then seeing the words that triggered those emotions and having it all put together.
And feeling it all again.
Yeah.
And feeling it all over again.
Weddings are always about the people involved, the bride and groom who are so obviously in love, and all their friends and family there to celebrate that and have a great time. I'm always striving to capture that atmosphere and reflect it in your film, to tell that story. I wouldn't say I have a particular style. I'm not trying to follow trends or emulate a certain shot or effect. I want my films to be completely unique, individual to the couple. Really capture the essence of who they are, their personalities, and provide them with some great wedding memories, but to do so discreetly, creatively, and totally unique to them.
I give myself. Take me, do anything you like with me. That's quite mad, because you see, it's letting things get out of control. So, the course of wisdom, what is really sensible, is to let go, is to commit oneself, to give oneself up, and that's quite mad. So we come to the strange conclusion that in madness lies sanity.